Look what we just got. 2 days early. What that means, guys, you'll be seeing this running quicker than quick. See you in a minute. Let's do this. Go. All done. How clean that looks. I almost don't want to take it out. It's so nice. But got to paint the body and we're all set. Time to build a ramp. Just adding a little style. And hopefully we'll get her out for a test run before we get the jump going. Back in a minute. Gotta let it dry. Alright guys, time to take the mask off. We'll see how good or bad it looks. Hopefully it's cool. It's always the fun part. Hopefully it don't look too bad. Just accents anyways. Then we can do some glamour shots. Looking good. Looking good. So I started getting the wood out. We'll do a separate video of me building the ramp. And I'll probably take this out for a test run in the morning. We had a bunch of rain today, so rain delay like usual. So we'll put this out as our last build video because she's done. We just got to give me some running. Probably look better from up here. Whoa! All right. Hopefully that's better. Get all this off. Looking good so far. Pretty excited. Hope it did you proud, Mike. Old Red is getting back in it. Oh, looks like I need a new sticker there. Hopefully you guys all have a great holiday weekend. Enjoy your family. Oh, what do you guys think? With any luck, we'll get a run tomorrow. We'll bring it to the. We got a party tomorrow. Maybe I'll bring it there. I'm digging it. I mean, it's not a lot. It's just a little black. It looks cool. Looks cool. We use the iron black again, which is like that acrylic. Ready for a run. I'm digging. Only thing left is to get our CNHL 120C light bulbs, get them installed and get it out there. We'll see. We'll get a test run tomorrow. Hopefully you guys dig. Get some glamour shots with it out in the sun. But yeah, she's all done. All done. I'm digging. Hopefully you are too. Like and subscribe, guys. And thanks, Mike. Wouldn't have it without her. Without you.